Guys, today I have something awesome to share with you. There's a brand new website that'll pay you a cool $7 for every song you listen to. Just imagine folks earning $70 by just tuning in to 10 songs daily, or a whopping 140 for 20 songs. Here's the deal, guys. Step 1, search on Google Free Music Archive and click the first link. We're about to make money while enjoying our favorite tunes. You guys ready to rock and roll? Just click that blue box within the Free Music Archive category. And now let's create your account. Click that sign up button. It'll ask for some basic info like your full name, email, and password, easy stuff. Don't forget to check I'm not a robot and hit that register button. Once your email is verified, just punch in your email and password and hit again, sign in. Now take a look around. You'll see your name up top. But what's more important are these music recommendations down below. These genres are gold mines where we're going to make our money. Now here's the game changer. This website plays nice with any device, so you're good to go no matter what you're using. Plus, it's a global gig, doesn't matter where you're tuning in from. Now here's the first pro tip. Head up to the top of the page and hit genres. No need to overthink it, just start with the first one. We've got a variety of genres here, from international to historic, country, pop songs, rock songs, and more. Let's take a quick breath and do a Google search. Look at this. What's the #1 music genre? Boom, it's pop. Okay, folks, here's the deal. We're not gonna download every single song. Hear that'd be crazy. We're cherry picking the best ones. Hit date added and then choose most interesting. That's where the gold's at, and let's dive in these songs. Choose a song. Just click this icon, it starts playing. And then click here. After hit that, I understand and agree, and then boom. It's downloading to your computer. Simple as that. If a song doesn't tickle your fancy, don't sweat it. Just try another one. Keep at it until you find a jam you genuinely like. It's crucial to pick tunes that resonate with you. In my case, I'm chilling with this song. So I've got it downloaded, and guess what I'm about to show you? How to turn it into some serious cash pay. Here is the magic happens. This is our secret weapon, called uploadforever.com. Upload Forever is a free website that is going to pay us money to share our music files. Look at these guys. They say, we can upload our files safely and then withdraw the profits from various payment methods. Or you can choose to convert those profits into products. Now, the way this system works is that when someone downloads the file that you uploaded into this website, they'll be presented with some ads first, which they can choose to skip or watch. And this platform is sharing that ad revenue with you. And that's how both you and this platform are going to be making money. By the way, the sign-up process is very simple, and it will take you less than 1 minute to complete. You only need to provide some basic info about yourself right here. Once you log into your brand new account, you can click here where it says, Make Money, to see how this actually works. They will give you the best pricing around the world. And from this table down here, how much you get paid depends on where most of your downloads will be coming from. For example, if most of your downloads are coming from Tier 4 countries, you will get paid $3. If you have downloads from Tier 2 and Tier 3 countries, you will earn $4. And if you get downloads from Tier 1 countries, you will get paid $7. Here are all the different ways you can withdraw your earnings on this platform. You can use PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, USDT, Ethereum, Western Union, or you can select from any of these other payment options. By the way, the minimum payout threshold on most of these is just $1. So as soon as you reach their minimum payout threshold, you can withdraw any amount you have earned. Hey folks, before we dive into the action, do me a solid hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and show some love to this channel. And hey, tell me where in the world you're watching from, I'd love to know. Moreover, if you scroll up here, you will see that there are about 5 ways you can make money from this website. And the one I like the most is this one right here, where I'm able to sell files through my account with a price that I get to set, and I get to earn every time someone downloads my files. Let me log into my account. As you can see, this is how your dashboard looks like. In order to set this up, click here where it says Upload Files, and that will take you to the next page. Click on Choose File, and just select one of those songs that you downloaded from FMA. You can write the description of the song right here, and then make sure that it is set to public. After that, click on Start Upload in order to begin uploading your files. After your files have been uploaded, click on this pencil icon in order to set your desired price. I'm just going to type in $7, so whenever someone downloads this song, I will earn about that amount. Repeat this process for as many songs as you want, making sure that you listen to these music tracks first to see if they are good ones. Now, if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to get paid $15 within 5 minutes just by typing, which is one of the another best way to make money online. So see you soon. Take care. Thank you for watching.